A few years ago, when I still lived in Germany, I had this dream about converting a little camper van and go take it surfing for the weekend. A few years later, my husband and I, we finally did it. With a little bit of luck and a little bit of patience, we finally found the perfect van, the Ford Transit Connect from 2012, and we converted it without zero experience, everything DIY. If you're also looking into converting a van like that, stick around. I will show you step by step how we did it under $3,000.
The van was previously used as a food transporter, so we had to clean out all the food residues and dirt. For the layout, we wanted to have a seating space on both sides, a table in the middle which can be converted into a bed when lowering it, storage under the seating area, and slide-out tables. My father-in-law, who is super crafty when it comes to DIY, helped us build the main part of the design. We decided to not insulate the walls or do flooring because we mainly want to use it in warm Southern California on weekends, and the van also didn't present enough open floor space to do flooring after we've built the seating. After the main wood construction was done, we sanded the surface before painting. Before we painted with the main color, we also layered it with the primer first. Beige was also the nicest option for us. It gives a natural soft look and it's easy on the eyes. Cutting the foam by hand was quite challenging with a saw blade. I can recommend an electric foam cutter if you'd like a clean cut. Knowing the sizes of the foam pieces, we went fabric shopping at Fashion District in downtown LA. And ended up buying a beige colored French terry, which is nice and soft.
There we go.
With the help of our friend Brady, we were able to create the exact pattern size to cut the fabric for 5 foam pieces. Oh my god, this also took so long to sew them all together, but we did it.
These pillowcases you can actually take off and wash if they're getting really dirty. These are our fabric shades where we did sew in magnets inside in here. So it is really easy to just make it dark at night when you go to bed. Like this.
Just like in the beginning in our 3D design, there's storage under the seats. Slide out tables so we have space to cook and chop vegetables.
And if you want to have a nap, that's totally possible with this setup as well. Good night.
Okay, let's get into the work mode setup.
This is set up when you want to do a little bit of remote work by the beach. Ideally, you don't have to work, but if you do have to work, this is the way to do it. The only thing that is just really annoying right now is that I can't really reach on my own the roof because it's too high up.
So usually my husband has to assist me to tie up the surfboards on the roof. And we're still planning on buying a ladder.
We also have a secret storage over here. in case you want to store some belongings or just anything like laptop, hide it under this pillow like this. This is another storage, and the same one we also have on the other side.
The total up until this point is $2,250, and it will still be under $2,000 if we add the ladder and a sunshade. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.